guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Runa, and today is Foundation Friday. If you're new to my channel, Foundation Friday is basically I try out a new foundation every single Friday, and it's mostly from a brown girl perspective, brown girl point of view, brown girl edition. I know that Talia does Foundation Friday as well, and I got it from her, and I wanted to do a brown girl version because she does the more lighter skin version. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited. Today I'm going to be trying out the L'Oreal Infallible foundation right here, 24-hour wear. I'm not going to wear it for 24 hours because I'm not trying to damage my skin, but a lot of people have done that. But I'm going to just test this out for about 8 hours and see how it goes and give you guys my final review in the end. And yeah, let's get started. Before we go into the application of the foundation, the real tea, let's get some actual factual information on this foundation. As you guys can see, the foundation is L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-hour foundation. I totally butchered that. I'm so sorry. But as you can see and read it, it is $14.99, which is not bad for a foundation, but it is much more pricier than your average foundation in the drugstore. It has 30 shades right here. And I think 30 shades is not bad for a drugstore foundation. I mean, we are far from the times where they would only give us 10 shades. Now they're giving us 30 shades, which is not bad. And there is a really nice color range. So it starts from super light all the way to a darker color. I did go in with Honey Bisque, and you guys will see how Honey Bisque looks on me. Also, this foundation is a 24-hour full coverage foundation. So it's medium to full coverage foundation. They say it's water resistant as well, sweat proof. I don't know who wears makeup while they work out, but I do not shame you if you do, because I have often caught myself going on a workout with full lashes and full makeup. It is so awkward when I do that, but sometimes I be trying to test out these foundations for you guys, and I still got to live my life, right? Still got to get my workouts in. But aside from that fact, and it is, it has all the good values in it. And I think the only way you guys are going to know if this foundation is worth anything is if I go ahead and put it on. So let's go ahead and put it on. Before we go into testing out the foundation, we're just going to go in and do some research on this foundation and check it out. Let's go ahead and try it on. You guys know I do half face brush and the other half face I'm going to do a beauty blender. We're going to go ahead and start off with the brush side. I'm going to go ahead and do the right side with a brush. I'm going to go ahead and do brush first, and then we'll do the beauty blender on the other side. So you guys can see the coverage on one side of the face and the other. That is just one pump right there. And we're going, ooh, she has coverage. Now, this shade 500 does have a little bit of a warmer undertone. I am going to go in with another pump, because I don't know how to use a little bit of foundation. But yeah, you guys. So one pump is actually pretty good, or 2 pumps is good, whatever your preference. The coverage is great. It does have a very interesting smell to it. The foundation is super liquidy, and it does have a very orange tint to it. Now you can see the coverage. Coverage is really good. It covers up pretty much everything really well. I'm telling you, the only thing I'm going to say is I'm not loving the color on this. It's a little too orangey. I'm going to go ahead and put one pump on there. Ooh, I really like how this pumps. It's actually really nice. It has like this little finger spot right there. I like that. Okay. Oh, this goes on even good. I mean, if you put it on with a beauty blender, you're going to get more of a nice texture like skin. So like texture showing with foundation isn't a bad thing. Sometimes it makes your foundation look less masky if there's a little bit of like skin-like texture. But I mean, what I mean by texture grasping is when it's like grasping to like odd parts of your skin. But if you have texture, you have texture. It's not a big deal. Okay, so this color, it's just way too orangey. The undertone is really orange. But I mean, the formula is really nice. I might need 2 colors. Essentially, with drugstore foundations, I always find that I need 2 colors. I don't know why, but it's just really frustrating. I just can never get my brown skin right. So right now, the first impression that I'm going to give you guys is that this foundation looks really nice. The formula is really good. I couldn't really tell a difference between the Beauty Blender or the brush side. I feel like both sides went on really, really good. It looks almost the same. There are times with some foundations, like when you use the Beauty Blender on one side and you use the brush side, you can see a significant difference on application. But this foundation, it doesn't seem like you need to really care about, you know, application or what type of application. It's actually like a really easy foundation to use. It does has SPF 25 in it, so that's really good for an everyday daytime wear foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and just wear this for the rest of the day, and then I'll give you guys my final verdict. But as of right now, only con I'm gonna say is the color, but it could be that I just picked my wrong color. I think maybe Golden Sun would have been better for me, but I mean, it's really hard because like it doesn't tell you undertones, and I wish drugstores would just do that. Like, give me an undertone I can reference myself to, and that online I did not see undertones online. I didn't see undertones in the store, and it's just like, here, you're a Golden Sun, whatever the fuck that means. But or even a honey bisque. What the fuck does bisque look like? You know what I mean? Like they give these like ridiculous names and I can't even figure it out. So that's just my biggest thing with drugstore foundation is like, fix the smell, fix the color range, like tell me what the undertones are, like make it a little bit easier for me to shop. This foundation was $14.99, and I mean, I think it's pretty good, even though I do look like an orange fucking mess right now. I look like a Oompa Loompa. I really do. I really do. And I'm getting a little nervous right now, and I'm getting a little scared, but I'm gonna wear this the whole day, put on some bronzer and see how it looks. I ain't even gonna put on bronzer, but put on some concealer and see how it looks and see if this works out for me. Hey guys, it's about 2 a.m. so I had to put on the L'Oreal foundation again for the third day because I forgot to record like the ending of the foundation. As you guys can see, oh my gosh, my eyes are so tired. I'm sorry if you guys see how tired my eyes are, but I've been like really editing a lot lately, so my eyes are just really tired. But anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys that the L'Oreal foundation, I mean, it looks really good off camera. I think it's just because I'm tired, my face actually looks tired. But overall, I feel like this foundation performed pretty good. I would give it a 4 for a drugstore foundation because I feel like it did do full coverage. It performed as good as some of my high-end foundations. But I personally still like the Maybelline Superstay foundation better than the L'Oreal foundation. That's just my personal preference. But if you're someone who has like dry skin like me, I think this L'Oreal Infallible foundation is great. It's definitely a 4. It's definitely a newbie foundation to try out. I mean, if you're somebody who is, you know, a big drugstore fan, this would be a great foundation. And I mean, it's as good as high-end foundation, even though Maybelline Superstay is still something I prefer more. But you know, and even the Wet n Wild photo focus is a lot better than this one in my opinion, but you know, that's just personal preference, and you know how that goes. So you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching Foundation Fridays and just supporting me on these videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next Foundation Friday. Bye. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe as well if you enjoy these videos. Your comments, your likes, your views encourage me to continue to watch these videos. I mean, create these videos for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy them. Bye. Remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us, but we let each other down.